Okay, so welcome to today's class of Panchangam. How to predict with Panchangam. Today we are seeing Karanam. Okay. So most of you have an idea about this Karanam, and we all know Panchangam means 5 elements. That is Tithi, Karanam, Varam, Yogam, and finally Nakshatra. Regarding Tithi, using this Tithi, how to predict profession. This already sufficient videos I have uploaded from the class videos. Karanam also I'll upload, but before that I'll give some introduction to this Karanam and application. Now, Karanam is totally 11 in number. Okay, this is a off of Tithi. That means if Tithi is 12 degree, then Karanam is 6 degrees. So we can say one Tithi means one full day. Like nakshatra, it will be there. Karana means half of that full day. Yes, that's Karana. Again, this Karanam, if you see, this 11 Karanams, two types they are divided. One is the Chara Karanam, and this is Sthira Karanam. Chara, they keeps repeating, they keep on repeating. Okay, this is they will come only once in a month. This is only once in a month. Here 7, here 4 are there. Okay. So what are these 7 Charakarnams? Bhavam, Balavam, Kolavam, Taitulam, Karasai, and Vanasai. Like this, there are 7 Karnams in this one. Right. Okay. The 7th Karnam is Bhadra. Bhadra. And the 4 Sthira Karnam also we need to understand. The 4 Karnams here are Shakunam or Shakuni or Sakunam. Shakunam has characters of the Shakuni. Understand? So we will see. I'll try to give more information as the Chatuspadam. Chatuspadam. Third is Nagavam. And fourth is Kimstuganam. Okay. So these many things are there. Now, whenever we are studying with a Karna, certain important things also we should know. Okay. So what are those important things? The moment, okay, we say Karna, for example, if I say Bhavakarnam, then we should know Karana Natha. Like, oh, we have the Rashi Natha, Lagna Natha, we should know. And Adi Devata, animal, house. If you know how to activate even one element of this, just one element of this, let it be whatever business you are doing, or let it be whatever profession you are doing, you will get a 100% success. So only those days, astrologers always used to carry that Panchangam with them. In fact, they say, Karanam, Karya, Siddi. That means if you know how to handle your Karanam, because that Karanam will tell how we are going to carry out the task. Okay. When you carry out in that appropriate manner, when you activate those Karanam element, 100% Karyam. Karyam means the work. Siddhi means success. A, a success which is like 100% with perfection. Understand? So only they told Karanam Karya Siddhi. Okay. But how to activate them, we should know. All VIPs today are VIPs only because of their Karanam Karya Siddhi. This I have given for many of my clients and students as a remedy. They have been successful. They are suggesting for their clients and they are getting good results. Okay. So from that perspective, now for example, let us take another Karanam, that is Balavam Karanam. Okay. For Balava Karanam, the Karana Nata is what? Rahu. Okay. And Adi Devata is Brahma. And animal is tiger. And houses is Taurus. Yeah, many ways are there to how to activate spiritual way. All those things are there. But now let us see how to activate or get that DNA into their life. Okay. Now, if you closely observe this tiger, okay, the tiger before attacking a prey, it will ambush. Okay. And if you observe, it will always take 2 steps back and then attack. So one simple remedy for these people, like so many things we have said here, in that one simple remedy where they can do is always take 2 steps backward. Now, for example, you are going for any important work. Okay. If you think that important work is very, very at any cost, it should be successful for you. Just while going from your house, come back 2 steps, just like our tiger goes back. Just come back few steps backward, then think of your Ishta Devata and move forward. 100% whichever work you are going out, that will be successful. Understand? It is not a joke. You apply. Now the same thing, for example, Badra. Badra means a rooster, right? So, here, if you see, it will. These people always they should do 2 jobs, just like an inactive job, another job, some small opening some kind of an account where they'll get some passive income, something. The day they do minimum 2 jobs, automatically their main primary work will multiply manifold success, because that is the character of a rooster or a cock. Understand? So like that, just with animal character we can do many things. Now for tiger, 25 30 points I told in the class. Tiger means it will always plan. Tiger means hygiene. So for this Balavam Karnam people, okay, they should be always be hygienic. The day they are not hygienic, automatically the Karya Siddi will not be there. Instead, Daridram only will come. With animal, you are able to find so many secret success formula. You observe all the VIPs, they would have obviously activated the Karanam character only. Like this, each Karanam, like Shakunam, Shakuni, how Shakuni was successful by planning. What kind of planning? Right, that we have to think. Now, Chatuspada means dog, loyal. So, what is that loyal? They should be loyal, or they should keep somebody loyal person with them. Like that, each and everything we have to think. Then, Adidevata, here Brahma. Brahma means how to activate the Brahma's characteristics here. Right, that is important. Now, how is this Taurus? How the Taurus is important? Karnanatha is Rahu. He is the more than all of these things. This Karnanatha is very, very important. You see, everybody would have somehow in their life who have been successful would have made proper application of the Karnanatha. Understand? So let us take this introduction class, go through without missing even one line, go twice or thrice. Lot of very interesting solutions you will find. I'll also try to upload more of class recordings of Karanam so that you can get predictive insights. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like the video, hit a like button, subscribe. It will motivate me to put more and more videos. Have a great day. Thank you.